Hello and a very warm welcome to each one of you. And today is officially the day one for our amazing book, You Become What You Think. Today is not about learning something new, it is about realizing something we already know, but don't live. Let me ask you something. Before we dive into the first insight, let me ask you this. Where does most of your mind live? Is it past? Past का मतलब है, is it regret, guilt, etc. Or it is future? और future का मतलब है anxiety and worry. Well, let me tell you, we rarely live in the present. ठीक है. Well, that brings us to, the insight number one. And let me quickly start sharing the screen so that we can read the first insight together and then we can, start discussing about it as well. So here we are. Part one, happiness and mindfulness. Insight number one. And the first insight is life is just a series of present moments. Have you ever thought about the two emotions that hold us back the most? If you asked 100 people, chances are most of them would say regret and anxiety. But why do we worry so much? The answer lies, the answer lies in the way our mind works. Our constant stream of thoughts is usually focused on either the past or the future. Take oversleeping, for example. We might start by regretting hitting the snooze button and then worry about being late for work. However, the most crucial time is the one we often neglect, the present. Yes. It is the only moment where everything happens, all our emotions and actions. Realize deeply that the present moment is all you have. Make the now a primary focus of your life. The past is simply a collection of past present moments, and the future is just a bunch of present moment yet to come. So it's pointless to live in any of the moments other than the present. If you have research paper due in 14 days, all the time you spend regretting, procrastinating, or worrying about the workload ahead won't get you any closer to your goal. Focus on the present and start solving your problem right now, and you will be on your way to making progress. Embrace the power of the present and see how it can change your life. The more you are focused on time, past and future, the more you miss the now, the most precious thing there is. Action. Live in the now. Dwelling on the past, so this book has the actions for every single insight. So I am looking forward for each one of us to focus on whatever insights we have every single day. All right. So today's action is live in the now. Dwelling on the past usually results in regret, which you cannot change. Worrying about the future only adds to your anxiety about something you can't control. We can only live in the present moments. So try to concentrate on that. We can learn to live more fully in the world around us by staying present and understanding that we are not our thoughts. All right. So that's the end of the first insight. This is how short these sessions are going to be. All right. So it is just 1:11 and we are done. Let's discuss a little on this, right? Our mind is either replaying the past or it is rehearsing the future. And as the book says, the present is only moment where life actually happens. Think about it. Huh? Life is not happening in your past. Life is not even happening in your future. Life is happening now. If we take it a little deeper, we know that brain is designed for survival, not happiness. So it keeps replaying the past mistakes, right? So that we learn from it. And it keeps predicting the future problems as well. कि ये तो नहीं हो जाएगा, वो तो नहीं हो जाएगा. Why? Just to protect. पर वो क्या क्रिएट करता है हमारे लिए? It creates regret. It creates anxiety. It creates overthinking. Your mind thinks it is protecting you. But actually, it is disturbing your peace. समझे? Very simple example. जो बुक में भी दिया है. You wake up late. First thought, why did I snooze? क्या था? Past में. Next, फिर हम क्या सोचते हैं? Now I will be late. वो फ्यूचर की बात है. और जिसका रिजल्ट क्या हो रहा है? आप अभी स्ट्रेस में हो गए हो. बट द ओनली यूजफुल मूवमेंट जिसके ऊपर हमारा फोकस ही नहीं होता इज नाउ. गेट अप, मूव, act, do whatever is necessary so that you move, so that you do not get late. हम लेट हो जाएंगे के लिए वहां ही बैठे रहते हैं. हम ओ रिग्रेट में बैठे रहते हैं कि ओ शिट मैंने क्यों स्नूज बटन दबा दिया. अनदर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम ले, आपने कुछ बनाया, you cooked something, someone did not appreciate it, आपका माइंड क्या बोलेगा? I always do so much. Past. और फिर आप बोलोगे नेक्स्ट टाइम ना मैं कुछ नहीं करने वाली हूं. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग. फिर से फ्यूचर. रिजल्ट क्या आता है? मूड खराब. और रियलिटी क्या है? दैट मूवमेंट इज ऑलरेडी गॉन. सबकी लड़ाई होती है घर में. आफ्टर आर्ग्यूमेंट वी रिप्ले द कन्वर्सेशन 100 times in our head. हम इमेजिन करते अगली बार जब फाइट होगी तो हम क्या करेंगे, क्या बोलेंगे. अब तो मैं ये कर दूंगी, ऐसे कर दूंगी, वैसे कर दूंगी. रियलिटी क्या है? नथिंग चेंजेस. सो बेसिकली वी सफर मोर इन आवर थॉट्स than in our reality. एक स्टोरी बताती हूँ 2 एरोज के बारे में. ठीक है. लाइफ हिट्स यू विद 1 एरो. जो वो एरो है सिचुएशन है. पेन इज रियल. ठीक है. नो डाउट्स अबाउट इट. बट देन you shoot the second arrow to yourself. कैसे? By overthinking about it, by worrying about it, by regretting about it. But problem कहाँ है? जो ये वाला सेकेंड एरो आपने अपने ऊपर मारा है ना, दिस सफरिंग इज ऑप्शनल. किसी ने और ने मारा मारा हो सकता है, सिचुएशन थी। उसके बाद जो आप उसके बाद करते हो, ओवर थिंकिंग, रिग्रेट, वरी, एंगर, एंजाइटी, एवरीथिंग, जो आपकी बॉडी तब सफर करती है ना, दैट यू हैव एन ऑप्शन फॉर। पेन इज रियल, बट सफरिंग is created in the mind. I hope that makes sense. समझने की बात यह है कि you are not your thoughts. That's it. When you live in now, you do not have any anxiety, you do not have any stress, you have no regrets, nothing. क्यों? क्योंकि past is a memory और future जो है वो एक imagination है। सिर्फ और सिर्फ जो now है, the present है, that is the reality. You are living in illusions and missing the only real moment. एक बात बताओ, अगर आपके फोन में हंड्रेड ऑफ एप्स ओपन होंगी तो क्या होगा? बैटरी ड्रेन होगी, फोन हैंग होगा, इजंट इट? एंड दैट इज एग्जैक्टली हाउ आवर माइंड इज। पास्ट की एप्स इतनी सारी खुली हुई है, फ्यूचर की एप्स इतनी सारी खुली हुई है कि नाउ के लिए तो कोई स्पेस ही नहीं बची है। क्लोज अननेसेसरी टैब्स। जब हमारा फोन हैंग होता है, हमारा लैपटॉप हैंग होता है, हमारा टैबलेट हैंग होता है, तो हम क्या करते हैं? सबसे पहले पीछे की जितने टैब्स हैं सब स्क्रोल बंद करो, बंद करो, बंद करो, राइट? Likewise, close all the unnecessary tabs and come back to now. Every single time you see yourself juggling between the past and the future, सारे टैब्स बंद करो। ओके? So the action step that we have for today is ये प्रैक्टिस करना, हाँ। When mind goes to the past, say gone, gone, gone. And when mind goes to the future, tell yourself not now, not now, not now. And bring yourself back to now, 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 now. All right. I would love for you to reflect on how much of your day do you actually live in the present? And what would change if you start living in now? Because I know for a fact that whenever, so this learning is coming from the book The Power of Now. And I've seen for a fact when I read that book, and I also started practicing it the same way that the Eckhart Tolle has shared. I also started living it now, and I saw I experienced that bigger shift in me that kuch problem hai hi nahi in the now. Even something that has happened a second in the past is a past. In this moment, I'm all liberated, I'm all free. There is no problem at all. But उसको करने के लिए, उसको रियलाइजेशन करने के लिए, you will have to check yourself कि आप कितना पास्ट में रह रहे हो, कितना प्रेजेंट में रह रहे हो। ठीक है? That's it. All right, that's it for today. Take good care of yourself. And let me share. Your life is not made of years. It is made of moments, moments, moments. And if you miss the present, you are going to miss your life. You do not remember, कि उस साल में ये हुआ था, उस मोमेंट को आप ज्यादा याद करते हो, that one moment when I felt so good, or that one moment that's, that made me feel horrible, वो moment की बात करते हो. So make every single moment count for yourself. Practice it today and see what kind of a shift it brings for you. ठीक है? So live moment by moment, live in now, and that's it. That is what we have for us today. We'll see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. And if this is interesting, I would love for you to join us at 1 p.m. tomorrow. If you are watching this on YouTube and you wish to be a part of this community which reads every single day together to reflect on what is written in these big books, these beautiful books, join the link I'll be giving the link to join the group in the description, and make sure that you join in, and alternatively you just comment below book and I'll reach out to you somehow. All right, take good care of yourself. Lots and lots and lots of love. Bye bye. Have a nice day.